Oh my god, I love it. Thumbnail. Hi guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Oh my goodness, I know I say this every day, but I legit can't believe that we made it to day 23. Guys, the devil was deviling this Vlogmas and he tried to derail me, but you know your girl is determined to get it done. So we're here, Vlogmas Day 23. As it stands, I am at the Nuff Express or local courier, like parish to parish courier. I'm here to drop off why am I talking so fast? Guys, people tell me some talk fast all the time, but my brain moves at the speed of light. I can't help it if I'm talking fast. But yeah, I'm gonna drop off a couple packages today. You'd have seen me package them this morning. I'm also meeting a customer of mine in the area. She's in the vicinity, so she's coming to pick up her package. I did go ahead and, you know, added a little cutesy tissue paper and of course some cute thank you cards to all of my orders. Guys, how cute is it? Oh my god, I love it. Thumbnail. So yeah, she's coming to pick this up. I should call her, and then I have two others that I'll have to drop off via Knutsford. Girl, please, that's why you have your tongue, you know, you'll bite your tongue. So you guys, I'm gonna do that. Also, I want to make a quick supermarket stop today because you know the cooking resumes, or well, the cooking never starts. Guys, I can't count how much time I'm gonna see a girl cook on the vlog. But yeah, I have cooking to do come Wednesday, Christmas dinner. I'm already create my menu, know all the things I'm gonna need. I just need to go and grab a few stuff for that. Also, I need to get some food. I'm starving. I'm just eating. I'm headed for hungry. So you guys, come along, let's see what we get up to. Around these parts before, I didn't even know that this was a thing, girl.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Around here, this and one right there.
Oh wow, so this are the shortcut when we could have drive through GC.
And just go straight up.
Okay. But did the Knutsford on the line because it's so freaking long. I try to send off a couple other things. Some I forgot go back. We can turn here, so
yeah.
Alright.
Pay for another?
I'm paying for this one. Alright, thank you. So guys, I'm just out of Knutsford Express, and I'm not gonna lie, that was one of the worst decisions I've ever made. Like, imagine sending something 2 days before Christmas. Hello. I'm never doing that again. So now I'm gonna try and get some food. Camera look dirty. Hope you guys are clean now. But yeah, I try to get some food, but they're tasties. And yeah, let's go see what they have. Got some chicken and rice. I really want the 2-piece meal, but that now go order some. Guys, I just got the food and I don't know, I just have a throbbing headache. I don't like this for myself because I'm supposed to go to the supermarket to get the last minute stuff. Oh my god, the juice with me. I don't like this for me. I honestly don't feel like going. I'm a nose of the place like a pack up. But that's, you know, that's what I'm dreading. And the fact that my kiddies, well, they need snacks, but they need food. I bought them food. I don't know. I feel like I just go home and give them the food. If anything, we can try get them stuff at the supermarket tomorrow. But as it stands, I don't think I'm gonna go there. No, I'm not feeling it. Call Jason and see if he must starve, or if him feed them, and we can just or can go and come back. Just checked in. The big old check your block up the place. Locking up the place, man. At beer traffic. Traffic for kill. But I just checked in with the farm, and Jason said that he's good. He ate. He also fed the kids, so they're good too. So I don't have to rush home anymore. So, as you know, I was starving, so I'm eating out some of Javi's fries. And I'm heading to the supermarket. And guys, I just know I set the place back up. I just know I am anticipating a crowd. The other day I saw a video of Price Smart. And Price Smart not even open yet, and the place back up. Like, we're just so last minute, it's not even funny. But I'm gonna try to pick up two good things, see if I can go on the express line. And then see how fast I can get out of there. It's now 5 o'clock. I give myself an hour. So by 6 I should be out of the supermarket. I already have my menu, my Christmas menu. This year I'm not try to go too hard, guys. It's my first year cooking Christmas dinner, so I don't really want to be overwhelmed, right? I don't want to take on too much more on my plate than I can manage. So I'm just doing the standard, like some chicken, probably like fried chicken, baked chicken, and some curd goat. I bought pork, so I went to the meat shop this morning. I bought goat and pork and them something, but I don't know if I'm gonna put the pork. Because I'm a pork fan, right? I love my pork, but maybe I'll just keep the pork for Sunday dinner and do the goat instead, like all the chicken, because we're gonna have a lot of sides. I want to do like baked mac, potato salad, tossed veg, and it's not a lot of us, so it don't make no sense to cook a bag of food. What about man, you saying I love your life, sir? The man literally just come round the line of traffic, you know. And we're on a bridge, so where would he have gone? Either way, I almost reached the supermarket, guys, so I'll catch you guys when I'm inside, because driving in Jamaica is an extreme sport. Extreme. If you can drive in Jamaica, you can drive anywhere. Trust me. It's that bad. You have to contend with potholes. You have to contend with the mad drivers. Like, so many things are at play. This is why I don't drive with music. Whenever I realize I don't drive with music in the ear, not a stick on in the ear, I can't drive with music because I have to be focusing on so many other things. Music just is not for me when I'm driving. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna stop the run, because if me start, I'm not done for now. You know, Jameer has to get his Malta, of course. I need like 30. Right, this go. I'm getting some potatoes. I never bought this. Not a lot, like a pound or so. So these are the potatoes. They look juicy and scrumptious. So I got basically 2 pounds. This should do. I want gungo peas. Are these gungo? Dry gungo peas. Are these for guys? Guys, help me out. I don't know if I dry gungo peas or for this. Hi, good day. Is this regular gungo peas that can cook? So why it said dry?
Because it's dry. That way you have the red peas dry.
Okay,
It take longer to cook. It has a different flavor as well.
Oh, they have canned gungo peas? No?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah, they do.
I think I'm going to take my chance with this one. Thank you.
Just it longer to cook. You might have to pressure it or soak it overnight. But I think I prefer the flavor of this one than the green one.
Than the green. Alright. Thank you. Alright guys. So this lovely lady told me that these gungo peas, the flavor is so much better. But it's going to take longer to cook. So I'm going to soak it from tonight. So I'm going to get these. I have regular red peas at home. But I'll decide what I'm doing tomorrow. Eat some vegetables. Look like a nice head of lettuce. Also have carrots. Carrots expensive, man. I didn't know that these were the prices of carrots. Guys, one bell pepper is $519. Me don't know the country here. Me don't understand. $500 for bell peppers? I don't think so. Cheese aisle. I think I'm gonna get the mild cheddar. This is a fave, but more if I take the 6 Italian. Well guys, the supermarket isn't as packed as I thought it was, which is not bad at all. So I'm just taking my sweet little time and pick up a few little things that we need. Sugar, do I need more sugar? I need butter. Oh my god, I should have made a list, you know. Because now I'm confused. I should have made a list. Guys, the sun is going down. I don't know why, but I am obsessed with sunsets. You guys must know this by now. Call me obsessed, maybe I am, I don't know. But yeah, that was a quick in and out. I did not expect it to be that fast, if we're being honest. But the parking lot is a bit jammed now and I don't know what to do. What to do? What to do? So yeah guys, I go home now to my kiddies. Still starving, but when we reach home I go eat. So yeah, catch you guys at home. All it is snacks and things. Help mama bring them inside.
It's like, it's like 60 pounds heavy.
No. Bring the bag, Juice.
Pounds heavy.
You bring the bag,
right?
You bring that bag over there, Johnny. Daddy will bring this.
But they're heavy too.
I'm back home with the produce. I got so many things. Potatoes. We get one of beanie cabbage because we have cabbage already. We just needed some more. Mayo, got onions, some tiny tomatoes. Guys, can you believe it's $700 pound for tomato? Yes, Jamir?
I want one bag juice.
I'm gonna get your bag juice. And I saw this hack where they said if you put like scallion and thyme in like a paper bag, it's supposed to last longer. So I'm gonna put those in here and put them in the fridge. Just taking this. I'm just gonna put all of it in here so it doesn't sag or spoil. I don't know, I guess it keeps it dry. I'll put this in the fridge. We're eating. I got them nuggets and fries and bag juice, of course.
Can you open it, please?
You can open bag juice, Jamie. You don't need my help. Got it? Good. Eat up. Guys, we got a bunch of snacks. Lots, so as usual. We got holy bulla. This is Javi's fave, holy bulla. And popcorn.
Yeah.
Coconut
I will
milk.
remember me. And I thought I would never see ever again.
I'm always out when we go to the supermarket. So thank God they had it.
Let me have this right here.
What's that?
Boa?
Bulla? Sure, you can have it if you want. So apples for my salad and some cucumbers. Like them some are so expensive, guys. Nobody told me.
Wait, can you make apple pie?
I'll think about it. Jamie want apple pie. I can make some
Have
apple
a
pie.
green apple pie.
I only have red apples.
I saw you have a green
Fuji apples. Not
Fuji.
Granny Smith or any of those ones that are like. It's called Fuji apples, my love. See, I got you. Malta. You know us, we love a Malta.
Yeah?
I get this parm cheese for my baked mac.
Yeah, and there's also this one I don't know.
Burger. Let me have a regular everyday.
And
too.
mommy, can you make me some spaghetti?
Sure, my love. Let me just unpack all of these things first.
It's on the table. I can't even jump over it. I did then something will break.
Come on, I go down. That is nice. Can you get up, bro? I love you more.
I love you 2 more.
I love you 10 more.
I love you 2,026.
I love you 100 more.
I love you unlimited more.
A bula sandwich. So what's in the middle of that bula sandwich? Oh my god, you make a bula sandwich with just bula. I can't do this, kids. Alright, so these stuff have to go in the fridge, my love. Are you helping me to pack this stuff in the fridge? Guys, I am so tired. I am beat. I have a vlog editing and I don't know if that vlog is gonna even go out tonight because I'm so tired. What do you think, Jamir? Think mommy can take a break and not put out a vlog today? What do you think?
You can take one break.
Jamir said I should take a break, but I just wouldn't feel okay knowing that I missed a day because this is what I committed to. Remember, I committed to a vlog every day except Saturday. So it's kind of a bummer, but I'm gonna see if I can finish editing. I mean, I started editing it. I just need to finish up and upload it. You gonna help me edit, Bugsy? Come my pumpkin. My pumpkin. Are you my pumpkin? So Jeremy eating cheese crunchies. But guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the vlog out here. What do you think? Close this out and go finish edit, right? What are you doing? Alright guys, so that's the end of today's vlog. I know it was a short one, but it's just one of those days, guys. So come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 24. Tomorrow is actually Christmas Eve, Jamir. That means it's gonna be 1 day until Christmas. So this is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve, yeah? So 1 more day until Christmas. What do you think about that?
Tomorrow we're gonna open our gifts.
No, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. On Christmas is when we're opening the gifts. Is that okay?
You want to open one
Tomorrow?
tomorrow and then Christmas Eve.
Okay, so we're gonna open 1 gift tomorrow, guys. So come back if you wanna see Jamir, may I fall, you know? Come
And
back.
then hold on for as much as I can.
Come back tomorrow if you guys wanna see our gifts or the boys' gifts that they'll be opening tomorrow. And yeah, I might open a gift too. So
Yeah, you are allowed to open 1 gift.
oh, thank you for that, sir.
And Daddy I will, but he only had 1 gift.
Did you buy your father anything?
I didn't know.
You're not buying none of anything, but you have 10 gifts under the tree. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye. Let mommy put this stuff in the fridge, please.
Jam